Yo, St. Joe's, I walked your halls, from childhood scrapes to late night calls. The General was where I always ran. You healed me when you could, you made me who I am. Your paint was cracked, your walls wore thin, but inside those walls my life began. 2 daughters born, first breath, first cry. Now it's time to say goodbye.
Goodbye, old friend. Your time has come, but your story lives in every one. You gave me love, you gave me life. Through every joy, through every strife. Though they tear your walls apart, you still beat inside my
You an eyesore, said you're done, but to me you're more than bricks and sun. Every hallway told a tale, every patient strong, every nurse so frail. Yeah, the mural faded, the city moved on, but my daughter's laughter still carries your song. Your memory's strong, it'll never die. So here's my thanks and my goodbye.
goodbye, old friend. Your time has come.
Yeah,
but you're strong,
but your heartbeat still runs.
Your spirit's alive in my family. From first breath to last, I'll always know I owe it to you, my St. Joe. Goodbye, old friend. Your time has come, but your story lives in everyone. You gave me love, you gave me life. Through every joy, through every strife. Though your painted walls may fall, your memory outshines it all.
Goodbye, General. Goodbye, St. Joe's. Thank you for my daughters, for the place I'll always call home. On Paris Street, you rose so high, a concrete giant under northern sky. Canada's mural, the biggest they boast, but most said ugly, a ghost of a ghost.
Yet in those walls, my children cried, their first breath taking my joy inside. Call it an eyesore, call it a stain, but for me, St. Joe still remains.
Oh, St. Joe's, you are more than stone,
More than stone,
more than paint on a wall, more than broken bones. You may have faded, you may be gone,
but the heartbeat lives, yeah, it carries on.
painted walls can fall apart, but you still beat within my heart. Emergency rooms, long nights and fights, doctors and nurses chasing the lights. Cold steel beds, echoing halls, but I heard life's song inside your walls.
I held them close, so small, brand new, the greatest gift I ever knew. Forget the pain, forget the shame, my family carries on your name.
Oh, St. Joe's, you are more than stone,
Just stone.
more than paint on a wall, more than broken bones. You may have faded, you may be gone,
The love's still here, yeah, it carries on.
painted walls can fall apart, but you still beat within my heart.
Time rolls on, they tear you down.
Memories still here, echo in this town. you an eyesore, but you gave me a lifeline. St. Joe's forever, beating in my bloodline.
Born from the rock, nickel in the ground, railroads rolled and the miners dug down. Blackened skies, the smokestack high. We wore the scars, but we held our pride. St. Joe stood tall on Paris Street, a place of healing where lives would meet. My daughter's born in those painted halls. I still hear their cries through the concrete walls. Oh, Sudbury, city of stone, you've carried us. General Hospital, a giant on the hill, loved by some, by others called ill. Canada's mural, largest they claim, but half the city curse your name. Still you gave more than pain and pain. You gave us life, you gave us names. Generations passed through your doors. Now you're gone, but the spirit soars. Oh, Sudbury, city of stone, you've carried us. You've been our home. Through the smoke, through the years, through the laughter, through the tears. From the past to the days to come, your heartbeat echoes like a drum. Now the walls fall down, but the skyline grows. Three towers rising where the general goes. From a place of healing to a place we live. The city takes and the city gives. New streets lit where the shadows fade. Families walking where the nurses prayed. From mining roots to a modern town, we're building up, not breaking down. Steel and glass where the mural stood. A new beginning in the neighborhood. Past and future, they intertwine. In Sudbury's heart, the stars align. Oh, Sudbury, city of stone, you've carried us. You've been our home. Through the smoke, through the years, through the laughter, through the tears. Now we rise, we reach the sky, with towers shining, standing high. From the past to the days to come, Sudbury's heartbeat carries on. Goodbye, St. Joe's. Hello tomorrow. Sudbury's story keeps moving on. From the nickel mines to the northern sky, Sudbury built with sweat we rise. St. Joe's healed hearts, a sacred home. Now it stands in silence, flesh and bone. 2010, doors closed tight, but history still burns alive tonight. The statue stands, a memory flame. You can tear down walls, but not the name. Every drone I fly shows that smokestack watching as the city grows. High above, it owns the scene. Steel and stone in a northern dream. Broken stone, we carry on. Sudbury's heartbeat in every song. Legends fall, but the spirit stays. Echoes forever in these veins. Oh, oh, oh. The smokestack's always in the show. Sudbury's strong, we let it flow. In the ground, sweat in the field. This city's soul will never yield. Generations carved in steel. Every scar is something real. Hospitals close, the skyline bends, but the legacy, it never ends. From the miners' hands to the skyline tall, Sudbury's spirit outshines it all. Every shot I take is true. The smokestack always comes into view. Standing guard while the years go by. Sudbury's story in the northern sky. Broken stone, we carry on.
song. Legends fall, but the spirit stays, echoes forever in these veins. Oh, 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 that smokestack's always in the show. Oh, oh, Sudbury strong, we let it flow. Statue stands, the halls decay, but memory lives, it lights the way. Raise your voice, let the anthem ring. This is Sudbury, we sing. Smoke and stone, we carry on. Sudbury's heartbeat in every song. Legends fall, but the spirit stays, echoes forever in these veins. Oh, 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 that smokestack's always in the show. Oh, oh, Sudbury strong, forever we'll go. From the East Coast waves to the mountain stone, make-believe pride, it's in our bones. Great white north where the cold winds blow. Canada's heart is the fire we show. Red and white, we stand so tall. From city streets to the waterfalls, every voice a legacy. We are one, strong and free. Shines wherever we are, from the mines to the prairies wide. Northern lights will be our guide. Oh, strong and free, forever bound in unity. Canada, this song's for you. A heartbeat proud, a sky so true. From Sudbury smoke to the Arctic ice, we pay the price but we rise. Timber, steel and city lights, we fight for dreams on endless nights. Every anthem, every cheer carries north through every year. This is home from sea to sea, Canada lives inside of me. White, we stand so tall, from city streets to the waterfalls. Every voice a legacy. We are one, strong and free. Oh, Canada, our spirit shines wherever we are, from the mines to the prairies wide. Northern lights will be our guide. Oh, strong and free, forever bound in unity. Canada, this song's for you. A heartbeat proud, a sky so true. Raise it up, the flag will fly. Shadows fade, but we won't die. From the Rockies high to Atlantic tide, Canada strong, we unify. Oh, Canada, our spirit shines wherever we are, from the mines to the prairies wide. Northern lights will be our guide. Oh, strong and free, forever bound in unity. Canada, this song's for you. Forever proud, forever true. From sea to sea, strong and free, Canada lives in you and me. Hours on the timeline, cutting through the night. Every frame polished till it looks just right. From the drone in the sky to the trail I ride, I bring it to your screen, so come along for the drive. It ain't about fame, it ain't about pay. I just wanna share the world in my way. So if you're vibing, then here's what you do. Hit subscribe and enjoy the view. Enjoy the view, it's all for you. Every mile I ride, every sky so blue. Takes me hours, but it feels so true. I just wanna share it and I beg you to enjoy the view, that's all I ask. A little click helps fuel the task. From me to you, from trail to sky. Subscribe if you're feeling the ride. Editing's a grind, but the passion's real. Every shot I drop's got that Sudbury feel. From the smokestack high to the lakes below, I capture the moment so the story can grow. Not begging, not pleading, I'll never chase. But if you're watching, come join the space. This channel's a ride and the road is true. Subscribe and enjoy the view. Enjoy the view, it's all for you. Every about numbers, not about fame. It's about the journey, not the game. So if you're riding with me, then here's the cue. Stay tuned and enjoy the view. Enjoy the view, it's all for you. Every mile I ride, every sky so blue.